Markets are crashing, so what a better time for beginners to try to flip their account. Let's react to a video where a complete beginner is trying to flip their account. Let's go.
I want to try turning $100 into $10,000.
$100 to $10,000, that's fucking nuts. But luckily he's a beginner, so he's probably gonna over leverage, so it might be possible.
But money has the ability to make a huge difference for people that really need it. This is Marika, and she just died at my same age after complications during childbirth. The kid is safe, but still in a reserved prognosis in a pediatric institute. I'm gonna find a way to get the money to this kid. So how am I gonna do that? I wanna try day trading. Trading allows you to multiply money and make millions or lose everything.
Yeah, so the great thing about day trading, I've been able to run businesses, made some money through businesses, but they're not quite as scalable as day trading. The great thing about day trading is, you know, once you have $100,000, you make 1%, you're still able to make that 1% even when you get a million, even you get 10 million. It scales so well, and you only start seeing problems when you have a massive volume that you can move the markets.
And after analyzing the markets for a possible opportunity, I bought. I just bought.
The problem with using something so small as $100 is you're basically only going to be able to use 0.01 lot. So you're going to have to use the same lot size for every single trade no matter what. And you're going to be risking a massive amount of your account per trade. Probably you're going to be using like $30, $40 per trade, and that's just rough. So you're only going to be able to get like 2 or 3 trades in.
And now I simply had to wait. You probably still have no idea how all this stuff works. And so I'm gonna have my assistant here,
Like, you literally work for me.
explaining it to you. The concept is actually pretty simple. You buy a crypto at a certain price, and if the price goes up, you see green and you're making money. While if the price goes down, you see red and you're losing money. It's not that you buy and sell completely randomly, in theory. But since we need to reach $10,000, I have to use a few techniques to understand when the price will go up or down and beat the market.
Yes.
And somehow, I actually managed to make money with the first trade.
This is going to be really easy to actually make a lot of money because he is trading crypto. Hopefully he posted this video during that bull market and not when the markets are currently crashing. Can't remember when this is posted.
9.11 and I sold at 29.28, which is great.
So he basically waited for one candle. So he basically waited for the second it was in profit and then just closed it immediately, which doesn't make any sense. This isn't not a trading strategy in the slightest. He just bought at a random time. He didn't explain anything yet. So I'm wondering if he's going to go deeper into it.
It's going down and I made
$1. This is gonna be...
He lost $1 from the fees and then it went up. He didn't even cover the fees. This guy, obviously he's a moron because he's beginner, but you're a moron.
a long challenge.
I was super excited, so I made a bunch of quick trades after that one. Day trading is all about drawing lines. Yes, over here, over there, and hoping the price
Now he's getting it. I'm really good at drawing lines, especially horizontal ones.
will follow these lines for some reason. But you never actually know what's gonna happen. You just have to kinda hope.
Touch the line, bounce back up. Oh, no.
Not exactly true. Some of the best traders I know, they pretty much always know what's going to happen. You don't know too many steps in advance, but you always really know the next step. If you're a really good trader, you can pretty much always know what's going to happen next.
It's bouncing back up. Wait, now it's going down. Oh my god. Maybe I messed up. My prevision was terribly wrong, and after I was losing money and I was almost certain the price was going to drop even more, I saw green and then a huge red candle after that.
Right, so let's go back here. So the reason he's seeing this green here and he got excited, it was a break of structure here off of this pivot point, right? So this is a pivot low, came back up, and then we closed beyond that. So this was a simple retest of this pivot point, right? So that's why he got excited. But once you're seeing the structure break, it's most likely that it's going to continue to the downside.
Then a huge red candle after that.
Oh my god, what is happening right now? I'm losing so much money. I need to...
As he says, he loses $3. What the fuck? I lose thousands of dollars some days.
In the past 3 hours, we made minus $3. This is not working at all. I need to change something. Realistically, I couldn't be further from the goal. And so I had no choice but doing the most dangerous thing you can do in day trading.
Over leveraging. Yes, perfect. Let's do it, beginners.
This is your money. Using leverage allows you to trade like if you had 3 to 10 times more money. So if you win, it's huge. And if you lose, it's a huge problem. And since leverage is that dangerous, I need to be extremely careful. I just bought. Actually, I set up...
This guy's funny, man.
all night looking for opportunities and I couldn't find a single one. All the markets are going down like a freaking pelican diving for fish, which means that buying right now will probably mean losing a bunch of money. I almost immediately found an opportunity, and after losing money for a few seconds, this
is the thing. He's just picking random cryptos to buy. Like, trading DOT doesn't make any sense. You should just be, if you want to trade crypto, just trade Bitcoin. It's the most stable. It's the one that controls the whole market. It's like trading the NASDAQ. It basically controls everything else.
time I actually ended up making a few bucks.
Let's freaking go. Now it's going up, finally, for the first time.
And after a bunch of quick and especially lucky trades,
I want to learn more about what his criteria for entering a trade is, because so far he's just saying random shit and he's acting like a complete imbecile.
I finally broke the $100 mark. We are making money, but we're still way too slow. So now I want to try to risk it all and use the 10x leverage. And so after setting up a leverage, the electricity decided to leave my house. And after trying...
You used too much leverage, mate. 10x drew too much power from your house.
We did it, boys. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Alright, basically nothing happened. Yeah, it didn't move, basically. So yeah, I did all this for nothing. I traded for a while and I could actually make another $50. This place is literally closing. And you know, the only reason I'm making this video is to get that kid $10,000. And since I'm a terrible trader, probably the worst one that ever lived, I'm not gonna be able to do that with $150. And so I'm gonna put another $1,000.
You know what's interesting is actually he's probably doing better than a lot of the traders do. Like, a lot of you guys are on here trying to learn how to trade. You guys are watching strategies and you're trying to follow the strategy's rules. He's probably doing better than a lot of you just simply because he's following some sort of trend. He's just looking at it objectively and says, hey, it's going up. Hey, it's going down. I'm going to buy or sell based off of that, get in and out of positions based off that. He's not using any strategy, quote unquote, that somebody else has made up, and that's absolute bullshit.
And I can't go to bed because if I buy here and the price goes actually below what I predicted, trading with $10,000, I would be fucked. The price kept simply flying away from my prediction, but I was still confident it was going to drop.
Okay, I take that back. It reversed. He should have entered in on the trend again after the structure broke. And he's just watching the chart. He's too scared. That's the thing. The second he added some more of his own money, he's too scared. He's not able to pull the trigger. You guys got to follow some sort of method that you know is going to work, and then just pull the trigger blindly.
Something that I really shouldn't do. I kept the buying order active and I went to sleep. The price just kept going up and I didn't even buy. And you know, it's kind of funny because my strategy would have worked if I traded any other crypto, but not the one I chose. Anyways, the goal was extremely far away, and this means that I couldn't allow myself to be scared anymore. It was time for me to play a good.
See, that's what I'm saying. He got scared.
And so I did it. I started buying and selling, and I felt like I was controlling the markets. Everything was going according to the plans. Elon Musk appeared just to shake my hand, and after 2 hours of intense day trading, I lost $200.
See, this is the funny thing about trading is you can go for so long and think you know what you're doing, and a lot of trades do play out. Let's say you only win 50% of the trades. You're still going to be wrecked by the fees, so if you're trading a lot, you're going to be losing a lot of money over time.
I've been actually failing for 3 days. And I'm starting to realize that maybe I can't do this alone. And I mean, you could say donating $1,000 would be absolutely fine. And you're right. But that's not the goal. I'm gonna fulfill my promise and give the kid all the money he needs.
All right, so here is where the product placement comes in. He's representing I just personally suggest you just buy some crypto. It's a really good price right now, and just leave it in a cold wallet somewhere. The staking of crypto doesn't honestly earn you that much, so I would keep the majority of your money safe in your own hands because there are a lot of problems. Companies can go under. If it's not your keys, it's not your money, you legally have no rights to it. That's my suggestion, guys. Have a good day. Peace.